gaps allowed massive data breach at Desjardins. Canadian financial firm Desjardins suffered a major data breach compromising nearly 10 million customers' personal information. Desjardins confirmed involvement of their employee behind the leak and indicated such insider threat a common problem among companies of all sizes. Desjardins, a financial management firm based in Lévis, Quebec, disclosed the data security incident in 2019. The breach, which spanned 2 years, was the result of unauthorized and illegal access to data by a malicious employee. Canadian Privacy Commissioner Daniel Therrien mentioned that the incident was a result of series of gaps in administrative and technological safeguards. Another report by the Office of the Privacy Commissioner of Canada concluded the investigation into the breach at Desjardins sheds light on the risks of internal threats, whether they are intentional or not. According to the report, for 26 months, an employee was smuggling sensitive personal information collected from customers who had purchased or received products offered directly or indirectly by the organization. Desjardins offers insurance cover, mortgage rates, loans, and credit cards, among other services, meaning that financial information was potentially exposed. Multi-layer defense across the people, process, and technology should incorporate strategy to fight against insider threats for data leakage prevention, and following measures are necessary to have mature security framework. Deploy data leak prevention solution to monitor all activities across all endpoints by default. Ensure your network internet gateway has data leak prevention capabilities enabled and configured as per use cases. Add data leak prevention coverage for your cloud services, including software as a service model subscription. Modern Cloud Access Security Broker Services covers the software as a service model features. Make organization-wide process to define what is allowed and what is not and enforce the same through deployed solutions. Communicate employee on adherence of acceptable use and disciplinary action on non-compliance. Combine user behavior analytics capabilities in your detection approach. Make provision for role-based access on need-to-know basis and with the least privilege approach.